Hi guys, this is the March 30th weekly and it is about the coronavirus. Regular version symbol supported.
News to you. March 30th, 2020. Coronavirus. Many people around the world are sick. They have a new illness called the coronavirus. The coronavirus spreads from person to person. Anyone can become sick with the coronavirus.
So there's a new illness and it's called the coronavirus and it is very easily spread between people.
The coronavirus gives people fevers and coughs. Most people only become a little sick, but some people become very sick. The coronavirus spreads quickly. Now the coronavirus is a pandemic.
So the coronavirus spreads very, very, very quickly. And some of the people that get it only get a little sick. And then others of them get sick to where they're fighting for their lives. I think the next page will discuss this word, pandemic.
A pandemic is when an illness spreads around the world. People think the coronavirus started in China in 2019. It spread to many countries, including the US. Leaders and doctors around the world are working together. They are working to stop the spread of the coronavirus.
So the pandemic word means around the world. Every continent in the world has coronavirus. They think it started in China and now it's here in the US. There's scientists, there's doctors, there's world leaders that are all trying to come up with a vaccine or a cure or treatment, something that'll help people either not get it or not get as sick. There have been many deaths because of this virus.
To help stop the spread, you should wash hands often, for 20 seconds or more. Not touch eyes, nose and mouth. Call a doctor when you feel sick. Stay away from others in public places.
So you don't want to touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. You want to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Before we left for break, we were washing every time you came in the classroom, and we were teaching you guys and showing you guys how to wash your hands correctly.
Leaders and doctors worry about crowds. Sick people can spread the coronavirus in crowds. Many leaders have canceled events with crowds. Leaders have canceled parades, concerts, conferences, sports events, and more.
So the leaders in a lot of counties, towns, states, cities, they've all canceled things where people would gather together. Parades. We canceled the St. Patrick's Day parade. Music concerts, sporting events, all of that has been canceled to try and help stop the spread of the virus.
Leaders have closed public places with crowds. Leaders have closed movie theaters, museums, restaurants, zoos, and more. Leaders have closed schools too. Students are doing classes online in their homes.
So anything fun is probably closed. They mentioned movie theaters, museums, restaurants, and zoos. We as a family would go out to eat once a week, and we can't do that right now. Also, schools are closed. That's why you guys are online learning instead of learning with us in the classroom. I hope they find a way to deal with this virus soon because I miss you guys greatly.
Leaders do not want people to travel. Sick people can spread the coronavirus to other places. Airlines have canceled some flights. Cruise ships have canceled some trips. Many people are staying in their homes.
So lots of people are staying in their homes. Tarrant County and other counties in our area have issued a shelter in place order, which means you are supposed to be staying at home unless you're an essential employee or you have to go out and get essentials. Getting essentials would be groceries. If you're an essential employee, you could work for somewhere that serves food, or you could be a police officer, not a teacher, a paramedic, somebody that works as a doctor or a nurse, and there's some others that are essential. I just can't think of them at the moment. But our area wants us to stay home and not go anywhere.
The coronavirus is a new illness. Doctors are still learning about the coronavirus. They hope to stop the spread of the coronavirus soon. Then people can go to public places. Leaders can open schools again.
So I hope they do stop it soon. I would really like to be back at work with you guys. I miss you guys. So we're going to talk about a person in the news.
Person in the news. Doctor. You should call a doctor when you feel sick. A doctor helps sick or hurt people. A doctor helps people feel better. A doctor may work in a doctor's office, medical clinic, or hospital.
So doctors work all over. They work in hospitals, they work in clinics, they work in doctors' offices. There's even some doctors that work online and do video doctor's appointments. And they are very important people right now. So places in the news is going to be the world. Remember, we talked about a pandemic. Pandemic means it's affecting the world.
Place in the news. World. The coronavirus has spread around the world. The world includes Earth and everything on Earth. The world includes people, countries, continents, and landforms. The U.S. is one country in the world.
So the U.S. is one country in this world that has been affected by this virus. But there's so many more since it is all the way around the world now. Okay, you guys, if you have the ingredients to make this, you are more than welcome to make it at home. If you do make it at home, please let us know in our office hours in one of our Google Meets chat rooms between 1 and 3. We would love to hear your results. If you liked it or if you didn't like it. Have a great day.